Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create Pinterest profile. So first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to download the app, and afterwards what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and open up that Pinterest, and you're going to try to log in with your account, or try to continue with Facebook or Google, or you can use Apple if you're using iPhone, right? Next, what you're going to do, you're going to follow on-screen instructions. You're going to enter your birthday, you're going to enter your gender, your location, your country, and afterwards, after you've done those couple steps, you're going to be able to have your profile on Pinterest, and you're going to be able to see they will ask you beforehand, what do you like to see on Pinterest, and you're gonna let them know or tell them your interest. Afterwards, what you're gonna do, you're gonna have your own collection of photos. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.